Please ensure the battery level of the aircraft and remote controller is higher than 50% before updating. Please confirm that the mobile device is connected to the internet. Connect the remote controller to the mobile device and power on the remote controller and aircraft. Launch the DJI Go 4 app. New firmware update is available notification will be shown on the app screen. Tap the prompt to go to the aircraft firmware download screen. Tap Download Now. The aircraft will download and upgrade automatically. Please do not power off the aircraft or exit DJI Go 4 during the update. The firmware update will fail if the aircraft's or the remote controller's battery power is less than 50%. Also, it will fail if the mobile device disconnects from the aircraft or the internet. If it fails, please try to update the aircraft again. It is normal for the aircraft to restart several times during the update. Please do not power off the aircraft. Once updated, an Update Complete prompt will be shown. If you have several batteries, you need to plug them into the aircraft one by one to update them. Slide to update the firmware, and the battery will start updating automatically. Please restart the aircraft after the update is complete. Thank you for watching.